Here's a quick tutorial on how to book a club sale. Go to our website homepage, and in the upper right corner you see an online class booking. If you click on that button, that takes you by default to the sailing lesson schedule. If you look in the upper right corner again, you'll see a master calendar. Click on that and it takes you to all of our events, sailing lessons, bareboat charters, special events, and skipper charters, along with club sales. Click on the club sale button. It's going to take you to the club sale calendar. And in this month, you'll see we are currently sold out, but just go to the next month and you will find that we've got lots of dates available. Click on one of those and it's scroll down and it's going to show you all of the available slots. Hit the booking button and it takes you to the special request page. Click continue, and this gives you the opportunity of booking a club sale. You can either log into your account and use the discount code if you're a member, or if you're not a member, you should register a new account, which will take you to a payment window. If you have any questions, call us at 415-543-7333 and we'll be happy to help you. Have a great day.